Hey guys, so today I was thinking of doing like a summer makeup routine like for the hot weather, like no foundation kind of thing. Usually quite quick for me. There's like my go-to when I want to look, cute and presentable, but I don't really want to put in the effort. So yeah, I'm just going in with my Simply Kind to Skin moisturizer. Is that gonna focus? Is it gonna? Oh, there she goes. My Simply Kind to Skin moisturizer, hydrating moisturizer, and like this is okay. Like I don't hate it. It works well enough, but I think it might clog my skin a little bit if I'm being honest. And I also feel like it does like this weird peeling thing. Not under my makeup or anything, thank God, but like sometimes if I leave it on or put on too much, so I'm not like obsessed with it. I did like test this Clinique one that I think I'm gonna go back and get, but that costs coin and I'm too busy spending all my money on clothes, so anyway, so when I feel fully hydrated, okay, she's cute. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now, so yeah. I just used the Anastasia eyebrow pomade, which is the only thing that I ever really use. Like I've tried to use the Benefit one before and she just wasn't it. She really wasn't it, so just gonna do like a quick, more, I wanted to say natural brow, but there's nothing natural about my eyebrows. But I'm gonna do a quick, like, not super sculpted brow. Is that what I want to say? Yeah, that is what I want to say. So I'm just gonna do that. Make myself like a natural queen. Like, I do kind of like a more natural makeup look. Like sometimes, like it depends on how confident I'm feeling. Like my skin isn't great as you guys can see, but it's so much better than it ever really has been. Probably since I was 13, which is sad, but also a reality of life, I suppose. And I don't know, it's just doing okay. So I can do sometimes a more natural look if I feel like I want to, and that's quite nice as well. I can put less on my face and still feel like good about myself in a completely different way than I have before. But I think that's also important to like note that like you really shouldn't place that much importance on your looks because they change so much in your life, and just because you look different in one way or the other doesn't necessarily mean that you look bad. I've definitely seen people with bad skin who I think are like gorgeous or whatever. I just could not include myself into that group of people for some reason. But yeah, so my eyebrows are like done. I'm not too sure how they look on camera. They look intense from what I can see already, but I'm just gonna brush through them. But I am gonna use like concealer and stuff like that, so it should hopefully not look so bad. But I definitely like to like bring them out in the front because I feel like my eyebrows aren't as full in the front the way I think they look nicest on me personally. I feel like they're a bit short there, so I definitely like to brush them like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put on some primer because I feel like my skin, because I've not been taking care of her like I should, has been a little bit more dry than usual. So I'm just going to put a bit of like the MAC Prep and Prime base, Natural Radiance base on my face, especially in the areas that I feel like tend to get like quite dry underneath my makeup. When I go after my face, I'm gonna have wrinkles for sure. It's fine. And now that that's on, I will get the brush I use for concealer, if I can find her. It's my little makeup thing. Aha! So since we're doing the whole natural thing, I'm going to go with a concealer color that's slightly closer to my skin tone. And I think this is like the closest one to my skin tone that I have. So this is the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. It's disgusting, but it's mine. I am in the color Salted Caramel. Yeah, so that's like 26B. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take that on this little flat brush that I use to clean up my eyebrows and just put it underneath there. Just really carve it out. And I also like to then I'll bring that down onto my lid because I do kind of have like dark lids. So I like to use like concealer to cover her. And again, under this eyebrow, just gonna make it nice and clean. I'm literally not going anywhere after doing this, so I think I'm being a little messier than usual because I know I have nothing to lose. So she's carved. Are you jealous? Yeah, so I'm gonna get like my handy dandy disgusting makeup sponge and just blend her out. Nice and blended. It actually looks a lot more like wow on camera than it does in person. But yeah, probably by the time I like put concealer under my eyes and stuff like that, it won't look as like out there. Oh shit, I didn't take a picture of before. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this concealer and I want to see like hide my bad bits, but honestly right now on camera it looks like I have none, so I'm loving that flex. And like I'm gonna put some on the tip of my nose because I really like to highlight. I will always contour my nose even if it's like a natural look. If you don't contour your nose, then you can like skip this step. And then I might put some of this around like some of the darker bits around my mouth because I do have for some reason like really bad hyperpigmentation like around my lips, so I kind of just do a bit of that. Yes sir. Guess this concealer's nearly finished, so that's fresh to take. Some more of this and put it under my eyes. Don't know if you guys can see that, but like there are bags that exist under there, so we don't want anyone to know about them. So I maybe put a bit of concealer underneath my eyes. And if you have like any other problem areas, like you can kind of go with that. I usually put like a whole powder over my whole face, so if you want to put one that's a little bit more closer to your skin, I feel like this one's just like a little bit lighter, but quite highlighting, at least for me personally. So I just put it in some of those areas as you can see. So I'm just gonna put that on then. Don't know why I look so ridiculous on the camera right now, but it doesn't look good in process, but I'll look cute after, so don't you worry, honey. So as you guys can see, under my eyes are very concealed, but I am just gonna add a dot of this lighter one just right underneath because it's not giving me desired effect, not quite yet, at least especially in person. So you really want to blend her out because when you're not wearing anything else on your skin, you really do want it to kind of fade into nothing. But then again, try to avoid over blending because that is also a thing. I don't know, just kind of swipe the excess random spots of your face just to even it out. Doesn't really do anything, but it just makes everything look more seamless. So as you guys can see, that's like all blended out. It does look a bit intense, but once I set everything, it will not look as bad. So yeah, I'm going to take my little baby here, and I cannot seem to find the lid, so I just put it on the back of my hand. Don't judge me. Oh, the lid is right there. Anyway, it's fine. So I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder, the dark one, and I'm just gonna tap underneath my eyes. I would bake with this, but I'm not actually going anywhere, so it doesn't need to be baked right now. But sometimes foundation will bake. Like, it doesn't matter that much, because I feel like no matter what, if it's super super hot, you're just gonna have to set your face again, even if it's light. Like, you're just gonna sweat, especially when you're only wearing a little bit. Like, there's less layers for it to penetrate through, so. So that's the eyebrows done. Yeah, ayahun. So right now I look like a flat canvas. So what do we do when we look like that? Bronze. So I have my Bobbi Brown bronzer here, and I'm just gonna take like any brush, because I'm just gonna do like a messy bronze. Like, this is, I'm not here to sculpt my face for y'all. Like, that is just not what we're doing today. So I'm just gonna bronze over my cheeks a little bit. And also, adding powder is quite good. Like, you do want your face to be mattified a little bit. But then I haven't added I'm putting on bronzer. Like, I'm not black already. Like, and then we have this, so what am I gonna do now? Yep, just gonna like contour my nose. Actually, no, I'm not gonna use this. I have like a little fluffy contour brush. I'll be right back. I just need like to bring this up right into the crease. I feel like it creates like a more natural shadow. God, I look so angry right now. Wait until I put on my eyelashes. I'm not angry, I promise. Now, I don't know if any of you guys like that e-girl blush look. If you've seen my other makeup video, you know that I do. So, I'm just gonna, you know, do a bit of that. I'm gonna go quite light with it though, so it's just mostly on my nose. Just a bit of that there, and then I think that makes me look really cute and really glowy. Oh my god, I can't believe I just made that voice. See, this is what happens when you spend a lot of time by yourself talking to a camera. Okay, so I actually quite like how this looks right now, and like, I honestly would go out like this, but I like to make my eyes look a bit bigger. So I'll add a bit of white eyeliner. Now, if you guys like mascara, this would be like the time to add it. I'm actually gonna zoom you guys in just a little bit more. Okay, so, but yeah, if you guys like mascara, this would usually be the time that you add it, but I don't like mascara because I have no eyelashes and it doesn't really make much of a difference. So I'm highlighting with my Revolution Strobe highlighter, and then I'm gonna put on fake eyelashes, because for me fake eyelashes are part of my natural makeup look. Like, I'll literally wear like, this video could have literally just been me like nothing on my face, so eyelashes on. Like, that's honestly just how I feel like a natural queen. So Yeah. Do I look cute? I actually cannot tell if I look cute or not. I'm just gonna mess a little bit with these. And then, where's my little... Okay. I'm going to add a bit of powder to my face. I think that is what I'm missing. So, just powdered my face a bit. Yeah, so now I'm gonna put on eyelashes. Because I need to for this video. The things I do for YouTube, I'm literally not going anywhere. I'm gonna be at bed at 9 o'clock today because I have worky work. Like, this looks really intense on camera. There's nothing natural about this baby, but whatever. I feel like I should take this headband off now that my makeup is like completed. But I feel like this makeup look wasn't made with my headband off, so now it doesn't suit me headbandless. But yeah, so these lashes are actually super dramatic on camera for like just kind of like more natural look, but yeah. But yeah, so this is like the finished look. But again, everything kind of looks different in person than it does on camera. I feel like I'm gonna have to turn down the contrast for this video so you guys can see how everything looks. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna turn down the contrast for this video. But if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. That was so loud, but I'm so nervous. But if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the little bell notification thingy, and I will try to come at you multiple times a week with content if you guys watch it, and tell me what you'd like to see as well. And if you enjoyed this as well, make sure to watch some more of my videos. Yeah, so